to do exercises if given. Hence, I am executing all the examples in RStudio and executing additional examples too based on your inputs. So I would like to reiterate one more point. Only for those who attend the full sessions on all the 3 days, certificates will be given. So I saw a comment from Ajit Kumar that letters are very small. So Ajit, so is it with just one slide, or do you find it difficult with all the slides?
We can magnify using the plus symbol, which is displayed, icon is displayed on the screen. So I think we can zoom it our screen.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
sir,
some of the participant may not know the screen can zoom it by using the icon which is displayed on the right side. Some
okay,
participants, I think, are not able to do it and they may not aware of it. So that provision is there. So this is my humble request to all the participants, those who are unable to see the screen, they can magnify the screen even using a plus symbol, and also you can do it in 2 fingers also. You can enlarge your screen and you can make it visible. I think very 1 or 2 participants, I think they have this problem. You can magnify your screen.
So other than that, it's fine, right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's fine.
Yeah.
There is a provision for this software where we can zoom it by using plus and minus icon is always appear. Even screenshot also we can take it. I think I am in the system, so I have no problem. I think majority of them are in the mobile. I think one plus symbol is appear in the icon next to this participant name. So they can magnify even mobile. They can 2 fingers. They can enlarge and see. I think 1 or 2 have this problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
thank you, sir. So now let's resume the session. We will see factor variables. So categorical variables are known as factor variables or factors in R. So being MSc statistics students, you should be in a better position to explain what are categorical variables than me. So categorical variables usually include nominal and ordinal variables. So nominal variables are values that cannot be ordered. So they cannot be ordered in ascending or descending order. Example, male, female, true, false, etc. So you can see in the example displayed on the screen that the function, the keyword factor is used to convert the input into categorical variables or factors. So here we are giving male and female 2 strings as input to factor, and the factor function's output is returned to gender. So you can see the output as male, female, and levels as female, male. So levels refers to the unique set of values that are given in the input. So the next one is ordinal. So as you know, ordinal refers to values which can be ordered, that is either in ascending order or descending order. So the example that I have used here is dull, average, above average, and bright. So I know that all the students who are attending this session currently are bright students. So we have an example to demonstrate the ordinal concept. Here you can see, in addition to the collection of concept, we have ordered equal to true and levels statement. So when you give ordered equal to true, OR will understand that this is an ordinal variable and it will by default sort the values given in levels as in ascending order. So you can see the output short, medium, short, long. Then the levels as short is less than medium and medium is less than long, ascending order. So when you give summary, it will return the frequency at which each of the strings occur. So summary is a function which can be used for numerical as well as character data. For character data, it returns the frequency. For numeric data, it returns values such as minimum, maximum, median, first quartile, third quartile, etc. Now let's try executing these in the R Studio. So RStudio is not accepting the format of strings when I copy paste them from the PPT. So other than that, the concept is correct. So you can see the same output as in the PPT. So if you see for levels, it displays female first and male next. Can any one of you tell me why does it display so? Okay, so it's based on ascending order. So there we have two words, female and yeah, that's right, alphabetical order. Good, Manisha Malini, that's right. So A, B, C, D, E, F. F comes first, then G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M comes next. Hence, it displays female first and male next. Let's try one more example. Like male and female, I have tried true and false. So you can see that it displays true and false as output, and it displays levels in alphabetical order, as Manisha Malini said. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So false, then true. Let's try giving more values. So you can if you can see on the right side of the screen, that is in the environment section, you can see that for TF it gives factor with two levels, false and true. So by looking here, you can understand that factor means categorical variable. TF is a categorical variable with two levels, false and true. Of course, this 2 and 1 are identifiers that are used by RStudio to identify the values. So for sure, Ramji, we will try the example that you have given. So here for true it has assigned the value 2, and for false it has assigned the value 1. Now I have executed the example that Ramji has given. So he has given red, green, yellow, and orange. So it returns red, green, yellow, and orange. And in levels, it returns based on alphabetical order. Let's try an example for ordinal. So now you can see the output displayed as short, medium, short, long, and in the levels, it specifies the levels in ascending order. Short is less than medium, and medium is less than long. So you can see that in levels, the output is not based on alphabetical order, but it's based on the order that we have specified. So ordered equal to true. This one will make RStudio understand that this is an categorical variable of ordinal type, and hence it will sort the values in ascending order. So as you can see on the screen, for a movie, it is displaying it as ord.factor. So which means that RStudio knows that this is a categorical variable of ordinal type with 3 levels: short, medium, and long. So it assigns values for each one of them. So since short is less than medium and medium is less than long, 1 is less than 2 is less than 3. That's how it takes it. So for short, it will put 1. For medium, it will put 2. And for long, it will put 3. Yeah, Seema, we will try the example that you have given. Good to see more participation post the break. Kishore, can you please go on mute? So I have executed the example that SEMA is given. So it gives negative, neutral, positive, positive, and it has arranged it in ascending order. So negative is less than neutral and neutral is less than positive. So here in the global environment part, that is the right hand side of the screen, you can see that the variable movie1 is treated as a categorical variable of ordinal type with 3 levels. So negative, neutral, and positive. It as in the previous example, it will give 1 to negative, less than neutral 2, less than positive 3. We will try summary 2. So the summary for a movie is -1, neutral 1, and positive 2. That is, summary function gives the frequency of occurrence of each string that is inside the variable movie. So in movie, you can see that negative comes once, neutral comes once, and positive comes twice. Hence, it returns the corresponding frequencies in that manner. So we will see the summary of R fundamentals. So let's look at the summary in a different way, that is in the form of 2 programs. I will execute a Fibonacci series and factorial of a number programs, and we will see how all the concepts that we have discussed gets covered there. So long I have been typing in a new screen. Now let me show you how to import files. Go to File, click on Open File, or press the shortcut keys Control and O. So select the file that you want to open. First, let me open Fibonacci series program. So before executing this program, I will tell you what is Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series is nothing but a sequence of numbers like this. So I hope it's visible to you. So it takes the first 2 values as input and gives the third value as output. Then it will take the next 2 values First 0 plus 1 gives 1. Then 1 plus 1 gives 2. 1 plus 2 gives 3, and so on. Now let's execute this program. First, I am getting the user input on till how long I want to see the Fibonacci series. Can anyone give me a number? Okay, 8. Ramji has given 8. Thanks, Ramji. Okay, Thanos has given 12. Sure, Thanos. I will execute it next. So you can see the output 0, 1, then 1, 2, 3, so on till 13. Since it will execute until the value is greater than 8 inside the while loop, it has terminated at 13. So if you see here, initial